Hi! In front of me is Nokia T20 and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Samsung Voice Recorder. Then you need to download this free app, wait a second, this one, from this developer and open it. Then choose Continue, tap on Allow and click on Yes, I agree. Over here tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can add a bookmark by tapping on this pin icon over here. Type in whenever you wish to or not at all and choosing OK. If you wish to end your recording and save it, you can click on this right button right away or pause it and click on it then. Now select Save at the top right corner and in order to rename your recording, tap on those three dots here. Then select Rename option, type wherever you wish to, like fun, and select OK to save your changes. You can also get rid of your recording by holding it, click on this pin icon at the top right corner and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!